Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 from crashing. Let's start with some immediate, easy steps. First, try restarting your console completely. This often resolves minor software hiccups. Next, double-check that all your cables, including power and HDMI, are firmly plugged into both the console and the wall outlet. Finally, if a specific game is causing trouble, simply close it and then relaunch it to see if the problem persists. Moving on to software solutions, keeping your system updated is crucial. Always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software and all your games are running their latest versions. You can also rebuild your console's database via safe mode. This optimizes data and can fix many performance issues without deleting your games. Additionally, clearing the system software cache helps remove old, temporary files that might be causing instability. Overheating is a common cause of crashes, so proper ventilation is key. Position your PlayStation 5 in an open space, ideally at least 4 inches away from any walls or enclosed cabinets. Regularly clean the console's vents and fans to prevent dust from blocking airflow. Some users also find that placing their PlayStation 5 horizontally, rather than vertically, can improve its cooling efficiency and overall stability. If issues continue, consider disabling rest mode, as it has been known to cause crashes for some users. Also, temporarily disconnect any external storage devices to rule out compatibility problems. As a final troubleshooting step, you can perform a factory reset, which reinstalls the system software. Remember to back up all your important game data to cloud storage or a USB drive before attempting a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.